YouTube, what's really good? It is your guy Hitch. I promised y'all in my last video that I was going to be putting out some tutorial videos, and this is the first of them. Last year, Jordan Brand released a plethora of Jordan 2s, and they're continuing that this year. So it's only right that I put out a lacing tutorial so that if you are copping Jordan 2s, you can lace them up the right way. Now, me personally, I hate Jordan 2s, but Maniere blessed us with a top 10 sneaker of 2022 with this Airness colorway, and it's the only pair of Jordan 2s I have in my collection, so I got you guys covered.
Bitch, I'm a Martian. Bitch, I'm a goblin. Pain feels so cold. Rock chinchilla in August. I'm Steve 3, Cola 16, Austin.
I do want to give you at least a detailed look as to what the final product will look like once you are done with this lacing tutorial. Step one is always going to be take the laces completely out of the sneakers, and what you want to do is take your lace tips and go from the outside in.
They watch what that beta do. Middle finger high, fuck a hater truth. Pine box casket, a hater coop. Poof, poof. Pour a few shots, tell her chug a lug. Chug a lug, chug a lug. Roll another Dutch. If she with it, then we boning in the tub. That's a rubber dub. Got that booty jumping like it's.
Once you have that completed, you want to make sure that the laces are even, so pull those through.
One is not enough. Nah. Grimmy Henny Crown, fuck a double cup. They throwing shade, niggas muzzle tough. It's like every day a homicide. Bullets through the window like piranha size. Fuck a 9 to 5 in a suit and tie. We just wake up in this.
Once you have your laces even, now you can just make sure that it's flat. And from here, I'm gonna put my foot in the sneaker as we lace it up, so that we know how much hang time we want to give each of the laces as we go through the lace eyelets. Now the first lace eyelet is done. We're going to go up to the 6th one. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once we get here, we're going to stop.
Next tonight here, millions of dollars in jewels gone in a matter of seconds. Masked men smashing their way through a store, and authorities believe they have struck before.
Tonight, those criminals still on the loose.
Still ducking from the one time. Hey, yo, that look like one time. Pocket rocket for a nigga trying to take mine. Tell the labels that it's pay time. I think I'm worth a couple M's now. Show me the money, no Jerry Maguire. Rapper for hire, neighborhood murder supplier. I been through that fire, but I flow like Poseidon. My squad is out beta, call me Marley Bin Laden. Bitch, I'm a Martian. Bitch, I'm a goblin.
So we've made our way to the 6th lace eyelet. And I mentioned before hang time. Hang time is the amount of space that you're giving your laces so that the sneaker's not just completely tight, right? It makes it have like a more casual, looser look. Now that you have the 6 lace eyelets done, we're gonna skip 1 lace eyelet and finish at the 8th.
Unlock my G, now I'm hater proof. Secure the bag, that's my hater noose. They watch what that beta do. Middle finger high, fuck a hater truth. Pine box.
That is it. This is how I like to lace my Jordan 2s. My tutorial videos, especially my lacing tutorials, are the most requested and most watched, so I do plan on providing you more of them. I have a playlist that has all the tutorials I've done. You can go and check that out up there. And if there is a tutorial that you want to see, hit the comments or follow me on Instagram and shoot me a DM and let me know, and I'll get it done. I'm out.
Bullets through the window like piranha size. Fuck a 9 to 5 in a suit and tie. We just wake up in this winning time. All this pain got me traumatized. Bullets through the window like piranha size. Fuck a 9 to 5.